everyone, my name is Nelli Louhivuori and I am the Pedagogical Director of CCE Finland. Here with me, I have my colleague Tom. Tom, can you say 2 words about yourself? Who are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Nelly. Hello, I am Tom Asbill and I am part of the educational team here at CCE Finland.
Great, thank you, Tom. So we are discussing here the Finland Education Tours that we organize every month in Finland. Tom, can you say some things what an educator gains if he or she comes to Finland and joins us with these education tours?
I think the biggest thing that they will gain is they'll gain some knowledge within the Finnish system. Teachers in Finland have a lot of autonomy. As long as they are meeting the students' needs, they're not mandated how to do it. The administrators also are very different here. It's more of a level playing field with the teachers than a top-down management system. And the students are also much, much more engaged than many places within the world. Nelly, what have been some of your experiences while teaching in Finland?
There are many things that I have done with my colleagues in Finland, and I would like to share those thoughts and ideas also with you. But the answer here is now too long, and we should continue the conversation on Friday, 21st of October at 8 p.m. Finnish time, when we have a webinar about this topic more in detail. So I hope to see you there.
Please join us to learn more on the 21st of October, 8 p.m. EST Finnish time. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there.